My name is Tinokunda Gwede. I am a student at Arrupe Jesuit University, and my degree is for virtual and augmented reality. So what we have here is within the headset and on my laptop is a campfire experience. So in this campfire experience, we have integrated Google Gemini for it to be able to interact with the user in real time. So in this case, when the user speaks into the microphone, either for the laptop or the headset, it will send that prompt to Google Gemini and return a short story. There are other things that you can do in this experience, like there's a radio that you can play, there's a marshmallow that you can roast and eat, and so on. So this is a project that we made in about 2-3 weeks, so it's for demonstration purposes.
Monkey worked hard. Rabbit, clever, tricked Monkey into giving up his share of the harvest, claiming it was worthless. Rabbit ate well, Monkey starved. Cunning wins.
Okay, so I asked the AI to tell me the short story about Tsunomabulo, the rabbit and the monkey. So how it basically works is there are 3 main components. The first component is a speech-to-text, which records the person's voice and converts it into text. The second component is a Gemini API, which then sends that text to the Gemini API in order to generate the story. And the third component is text-to-speech, which you heard just now reads the story back to us. So I think this project helped us understand how we can implement AI into virtual reality in order to make things extremely immersive. For example, we could use virtual reality for Zimbabwe tourism. Great Zimbabwe is full of rich history, and the AI can work as a tour guide. Whenever the user has specific questions, they can just ask the AI directly and get an even more rich experience. Like there'll be even other guests in the experience that the user can interact and talk to, learn about Zimbabwe and all those things. We can also use this AI for medical training. We can set the patients, let's say a doctor is training to treat and talk to patients, the AI can provide realistic, real-time, unique interactions that help doctors practice deducing what the problem is, what infection they have, symptoms, and so on. And I think VR and AR has a place in Zimbabwe because there's a lot we can do. I've already mentioned tourism. We can show the world what we have here. We can help with medical training, our doctors here and nurses here. We can also use it for helping the disabled, those who unfortunately are not gifted as we are, blessed as we are. There's a lot we can use it for, but yeah, thank you for your time.